overnight, we had some heavy rain and some of the roads are slick and dangerous. So try to leave early and take it slowly out there, and also take your umbrellas. We're going to see more in the way of wet weather today and through the weekend. Right now, a gloomy view from our Biscayne Bay camera in Miami. We're missing that sunshine, right? As we look from our Key West camera, also seeing plenty of cloud coverage. Stormy over on the west coast of the peninsula. Naples right now under a flood advisory. We're seeing just torrential rain falling there. So if you're headed in that direction, heads up. Also a few showers here lurking near Coral Springs and also Hollywood, Hard Rock Stadium. But thankfully, we're seeing a little bit of a break from the widespread rain we had overnight. Winds right now variable 3 to 10 miles per hour, and temperature is actually cooler this morning. We'll take it. Low to mid 70s in Broward and Dade County thanks to the rain cooled air. However, 80s across the Keys. So that flood watch continues through tomorrow 11 a.m. because we're going to see the potential of anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of rain. Isolated areas could see even more than 6 inches, and over the west coast could see more than 10 inches of rain. And it's all due to this area of low pressure that has a 40% chance of development according to the Hurricane Center. Really, it's just going to keep our atmosphere very moist and unsettled, and the rain chance high the next few days. And then we have a dangerous Category 2 Hurricane Harvey approaching the Texas coastline. Max sustained winds of 105 miles per hour. Forecast to become a major Category 3 hurricane before making landfall sometime later tonight or into tomorrow morning. And unfortunately, it's likely Harvey is just going to meander here along the Gulf Coast. Texas, Louisiana will be dealing with the potential for record rain. We're talking anywhere from 2 to 3 feet of rain possible here as we head throughout the next few days as Harvey stalls out along the coast. Hurricane warnings, watches in place, as well as tropical storm warnings and watches. So it's going to be a 1, 2, 3 punch first with the winds. Then we, of course, have storm surge warnings, storm surge watches up for the coast of Texas, as well as flash flood warnings and flash flood watches in place. So, of course, our thoughts are with our friends there in Texas and Louisiana and eastern Mexico, too. Will be dealing with the wrath of Harvey, a very powerful and destructive hurricane. For us today, 86 degrees because of the clouds and the rain. Stormy periods. We could see some gusty downpours, and that means it's not going to be a good idea to head on the water boat. It's choppy on the bays. Seas 3 to 5, and tonight lows will fall to the upper 70s. Scattered storms, some downpours, and for the weekend, it is looking like we're going to continue with numerous to widespread storms producing heavy rain at times. We'll wake up to lows in the mid to upper 70s, highs in the upper 80s, even through Monday of next week. Still unsettled and dealing with stormy periods. It's not until Tuesday and Wednesday that we start to see that rain chance finally taper off a little bit.